So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and right now is we are going to show you how to create a sleek and professional fitness website using this Squarespace. So whether you are a personal trainer, gym owner, or online fitness coach, having a well-designed website will help you grow your brand and attract clients. And the best part here, you don't need any coding skills. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website, which is the squarespace.com, and then click get started and create an account or log in if you already have one. So the Squarespace guys will ask you about your website's purpose. Here you can choose your different kinds of templates and then browse through the available templates guide and then look for the fitness in the category area, which is in the left part, and then tap on this one, which is the fitness. Here guys, you can click preview to see how a template looks and function. And then once you've found a template you like, you can click start with this design to begin editing here. So I'm gonna choose here. So I think I'm having a hard time choosing a design guys. So I guess I'm gonna choose here. So here guys, you can view it by just going the mouse on this part guys. So here guys, you will be directed to the other page guys, which is other part, which is customizing your website. Here guys, by continuing to customize your styles, you can also change the color presets here, which is given. And right after that one guys, you will be directed to the other page, which is they will tell you to enter a name for your site and then tap continue to learn how they can help you sell on Squarespace. So continue guys, and then here everything you need to sell anything, you just need to go to continue and then get started. Here guys, look for the word edit. So as you can see here, it is now changed into Kai Vibe. So when you tap on the edit one guys, you can now edit your website. So click on the text boxes guys to customize your business name, the tagline, and then the welcome message. So of course guys, you can click on this one, the text boxes, to change it guys, depending on you guys. So here, I'm gonna change the background here. You can replace this one, so either select from library, browse from collection. So right now guys, with this tutorial I'm just gonna use a stock images from here on this website, but in your case guys, you need to use your own picture of your place or your fitness truck store, depending on you guys. But right now I'm looking for a good image to so for example this one is, I guess, this one. And here guys, by changing the hero image, the main banner image, so make sure to choose a high quality fitness related image guys. So of course guys, the very important part is modifying the call to action button with phrases like join now, book a free session, or start your journey. Also guys, I'm going to change this one. So here guys, familiarize yourself with our studio and course offering, signing up for a complimentary drop-in class now. So I can change here depending on me. So here guys, you can also change it guys depending on you, if you want to change the color or if you want to change the style, the heading. And then also guys, if you want to put a link guys, you just need to tap on the link icon guys. So in the creating key pages guys, you can click on pages in the left menu and then add essentials pages like the about page, which is you can share your background, qualifications, and then fitness philosophy. And when we say the services, which is the detailed personal training, the group classes, and then the online coaching. And then the testimonials, which is display client success stories and before and after transformations. You can also add a form so visitors can easily reach you, which is the contact page. And of course, guys, the blog, which is you can share fitness tips, workout plans, or nutrition guides. In adding a booking system, guys, you just need to navigate to extension in the left menu and then search for the activity scheduling extension, which is Squarespace built-in booking system. So you can connect Acuity to your site and customize your available time slots and set pricing for session if applicable. And integrate a payment method like the PayPal or the Stripe and add a book now button to your homepage and services page. So here guys, you can view it on a mobile view icon at the top right corner of the Squarespace editor. So adjust text and images guys so they display properly on mobile devices. You can also ensure buttons are large enough for easy tapping and then click save once you are satisfied with the layout. So here guys, as you can see here, we can duplicate this one or delete this one. So I'm gonna try to add a link here or add an image here, either upload a file, select from gallery or stack images. So here, and that's it guys. As you can see here, you'll be able to see here this one, and then right after that one, here it is now the picture that we choose. So as you can see here guys, this is the last part, which is I'm also gonna change this one. So here, so if you're good to go guys, you can review it first before saving it. So here, you'll be able to see in this part, which is the save button once you are satisfied with the layout guys. You can also click settings in the left menu for your SEO. And right after that one, right after you publish, in the top right corner, you can choose a custom domain for a professional look and share your website on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. So here guys, you now have a professional fitness website ready to attract new clients and grow your brand. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. And then don't forget guys, of course, to add some feedbacks. And thanks for watching guys. And of course, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye guys!